All right, we're going to talk about the annual MACRS depreciation. Okay, um, and what it does is it gives percents at which a vehicle depreciates each year, and it doesn't depreciate at the same rate. So it's not the same as linear depreciation. This depreciation changes over time. The other difference is that with this depreciation, you have no salvage value. They figure that when you're done, it's worth nothing. So there's no salvage value involved. But let's calculate some depreciation. So here's Stallone's sub shop. They purchased a delivery van for $32,000. So it started out at $32,000. Suppose it allows delivery vans to be depreciated fully in 6 years. So fully, again, remember, there's no salvage value. It's worth nothing. According to the 6 fixed percent, so 20% the first year, then 32% the second year, 19.2% the third year, 11.52% the fourth and the fifth years, and then in the sixth year it depreciates 5.76%. If you total those, you'll notice they add to 100%. You're depreciating to nothing. Okay. What is the annual depreciation for the second year? Well, in the second year, it said it depreciates by 32%, and it's 32% of its original value, even though we're in the second year. Okay, so we just follow the equation up here that says you take the original cost of the van, which was $32,000, and multiply it by the fixed percent. 32% was our percent. We change the percent to a decimal by moving it 2 places to the left, and then we do our multiplication. When we do, we get $10,240. So in the second year that they own the vehicle, its value will drop by $10,240. Okay, so here's another example. Again, they give us the depreciation by year. Okay, and it says for an automobile that cost $26,000. What is the book value at the end of the third year? The hint is to start calculating the annual and accumulated depreciation for the first 3 years. Okay, so they want to know at the end of the third year what will be the value of the vehicle. So we do need to go through and find out how much it depreciates in the first, second, and third years so that we know at the end of the year how much it has dropped in value. The first year it depreciates 20%, so move the decimal over 2 places to the left, gives you 0.2, multiply by the original value of the vehicle. That gives us $5,200. So the first year it's going to depreciate by $5,200. The second year, again, move the decimal over 2 places to the left. That gives us 0.32 times, again, the original value. So 0.32 times 26,000 gives us 8,320. In the third year, again, move the decimal 2 places to the left, 1, 2, and multiply. So 0.192 times the original value of 26,000 gives us 4,992. I forgot to write that part out. Okay, so those are the depreciations for the first 3 years. So how much has it depreciated total? Well, the first year it depreciated $2,000 or $5,200. The second year, $8,320, and the third year, $4,992. We add those together. That's what the accumulated depreciation is. How much has it depreciated total is what accumulated means. So we add those together, and we find out that by the end of the third year, it's depreciated by a total of $18,512. Okay, so this is the accumulated depreciation. This is how much its value has gone down by total. Is that what they wanted to know? Let's see. It wants to know what's the book value at the end of that year. So how much is it still worth? It's gone down in value by $18,512. Originally, it was worth $26,000. How much is it worth now? So we just subtract the $18,512. And when we do, we get $7,488. So at the end of the third year, it's only worth $7,488.